Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the previous video, we learned about managing your Power Automate flows. In this video, we will be learning about creating Power Automate flows from templates. Let's get started. We are at Power Automate platform. We can go to My Flows and search for templates from here. We will choose this one and add a task in the planner as we receive a message in our Teams channel. Now we will choose our Teams and channel, that is Power Automate flows. Now we will choose group ID, plan ID and title for this action. Here I will choose options like bucket ID, start date, due date and yellow. I will choose bucket ID as Madhav and for start date and due date I will use expressions and for yellow I will choose yes. We are using add days, add hours and UTC now function here. Now we will continue for saving and testing this flow. As we are testing it manually, we are posting a message in our Power Automate channel. As we can clearly see our flow ran successfully. As we go to Planner, we can see a task is added in a bucket named Madhav. And that's it. In the next video, we will be learning about creating Power Automate flows from scratch using Copilot. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.